Never know what the road ahead might bring. Your vehicle is a necessary part of your daily life, so you want to take care of it. For better performance and reliability, regular maintenance is an essential part of vehicle ownership. Proper maintenance keeps your vehicle running more smoothly, avoiding breakdowns, costly repairs, and is often required by any warranty company. So make it easy on yourself and your budget by adding one of our maintenance programs. You'll get our recommended maintenance services such as oil and filter changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections to alert you of any potential safety concerns before they become a problem down the road. Having a prepaid maintenance package is simpler and less expensive. It is your best defense against continued rising cost of service and repairs. Make your service choice simple. Be at ease knowing your vehicle is maintained by a service center you can trust and serviced by our certified technicians. Ask our service advisors what prepaid maintenance programs are available to fit your vehicle's needs without busting your budget. Protect your ownership experience.